Thousands of people go to see a solicitor every week, and the vast majority are happy with the service they get and the way the solicitor acts. But what happens, for example, if you're unhappy with the length of time the legal work is taking with no explanation for why it's taking so long, or you think that their behaviour has not been as it should? First, go back to your solicitor. You may be able to resolve your concern by explaining that you are unhappy and giving them the opportunity to sort out the problem. If speaking to your solicitor doesn't resolve things, or you feel uncomfortable raising the issue with your solicitor directly, every firm in Scotland has a nominated client relations manager who has an important role in working with you to resolve any issues. To find out who that is, check the Terms of Business letter if you can, or ask the firm directly. Or you can contact the Law Society. If you cannot resolve your complaint, you should contact the Scottish Legal Complaints Commission, the gateway for all complaints about solicitors in Scotland. When you contact them, they will make sure that you've tried to resolve the problem first with your solicitor. They will ask you to fill out and sign a complaint form, and if you need help, then the Commission can assist you. Once you've done this, the Commission will assess your complaint and let you know if they can accept it for further investigation. There are two types of complaint. One is service and one is conduct. The Commission investigates service complaints and the Law Society of Scotland investigates conduct complaints. The Commission will determine what kind of complaint yours is. There is a time limit when complaints must be made by. Check the Commission's website for more information on this. If it's a complaint about a solicitor's service, you may be offered mediation. This is when you and the solicitor sit down with someone else there to help you talk things through. It is often a more speedy way of resolving a complaint. Or your complaint may go through a formal investigation where an investigator will gather the information needed and recommend whether or not the complaint is upheld. If the recommendation is that your complaint is upheld, the solicitor can be asked to refund their fees, redo the work, or pay compensation for losses you've sustained or for inconvenience and distress. The exact settlement proposed will depend on your particular complaint. If either you or the solicitor doesn't accept the investigator's recommendation, a committee called a determination committee will consider the complaint. The committee will be made up of a majority of non-legal members. If the complaint is upheld by the committee, they can give a binding direction for the solicitor to refund the fees, pay compensation, and so on. If your complaint relates to the solicitor's behaviour rather than the service they've given, the Commission will refer the complaint to the Law Society for investigation. The Law Society's committees who deal with complaints are made up of solicitors and non-solicitors from all walks of life. Their decisions can range from taking no action to a finding of unsatisfactory professional conduct. In more serious cases, the Law Society will prosecute the solicitor before the Scottish Solicitors Discipline Tribunal, which will make an independent decision. The Law Society and the Commission aim to conduct all investigations in a clear and transparent way, and information will normally be shared with the complainer and solicitor throughout the investigation. It can take time for investigations to be thoroughly carried out. You can help by providing any information requested quickly. Solicitors work to very high standards, and in the majority of cases, people are very happy with the work of their solicitor. If you do have a problem, remember that speaking to your solicitor or the firm's client relations manager about it first may save a lot of time and effort. And if that doesn't work, please get in touch with the Commission. More information about making a complaint can be found at www.scottishlegalcomplaints.com or www.lawscot.org.uk.